Lord. Stupid son of a bitch. What damn it to hell, don't hide your motherfucking relative. That's my wife's cousin. I can't get rid of that motherfucker. Faggot son of a bitch. I can't stand no homosexual. It ain't in the house, fuck you, I'm sorry. I can't stand no homosexual. Sucking dick and shit, what the fuck wrong with you? That shit ain't right. You ain't supposed to suck no dick after breakfast. That shit ain't right. I sure got a taste for a dick. God gonna choke the shit out your ass. Keep sucking the goddamn dick. And women bumping pussies now. I don't know what the fuck is going on with that. Women like more pussy than me. That shit making me feel so unnecessary. Just rubbing, just starting fires. Type of shit is this? Don't make no motherfucker sense. My cousin a lesbian. I knew, you can tell motherfucker gonna be who they gonna be when they little. You knew Michael on Good Time was a fag when he was singing in that contest. When you're young and... I said, that motherfucker a fag, he gonna be a sister. Did you say it? When he did that shit, I said, he gonna be a sissy. Some of them a bitch. Sissies like me, man. I ain't mad at sissies, but one was flirt with me on the motherfucking plane. What type of shit is this? Are you comfortable? You goddamn right I'm comfortable. I'm in my seat. You in your motherfucking seat, so I'm comfortable. You like grapes? Not your motherfucking grapes. Getcha. Can't stand no homosexual. My wife's cousin homosexual. He stay with us. He ain't no problem. He ain't no problem. But every time the doorbell ring, he wanna come down and answer, I guess the sound of ding dong do something to this motherfucker. Ding dong, that motherfucker coming. He wasn't no shaking motherfucker, Some of 'em a bitch. I just tell like it is. I'm tired of begging, mother. You tired of motherfucker begging? Help me out, hook me up, look out for me. Loan me a quarter, motherfucker, fuck you, Mother came to me the other day, man, I'm hungry as a motherfucker, man, can you help me out? I said, help you do what? He said, I ain't ate in 3 weeks. I said, don't worry about it. It still tastes the same, don't worry about it.